Hey friends, if you wish to customize and use Windows 11 Explorer, then please watch this video. And this will actually be a very long video, so be prepared for it. Okay, so in the File Explorer menu, this is called the option where you sort out everything. Okay, let me change the color of the apps. Right click, settings, personalization, and then I'll go to colors, and then I will choose this to the custom theme, and I will choose the apps mode to light, and then I will choose the alternate mode to dark. Okay, so click on sort out, and then you can sort it out as per the date, type, or any other preference. You can keep the sorting in the ascending or descending order, which is very basic, and you can also group all of these. Okay, now by default it is already grouped by date, I mean the day actually. Then you can change the view to extra large icons, medium, small, which is just the size. Then we can go to the list view or the details view, which is the list view plus the details, and then tiles, and then the content. Okay, and you can also open this preview pane here, in which if you select any of these options, it gives us short preview of the same. And you can hide the items, or you can also display the file name extensions. That is up to you. So I prefer to keep it as large icons and disable the preview pane. That is my personal choice, but you can choose accordingly. Now if you need more customizations, click on see more and select options, and you have countless of them here. For example, you can choose to open each folder in the same window, or each folder in its own or different window. You can use one click to open an item, or double click to open an item. Okay, so the default is obviously double click. You can show recently used files, folders, and office files, or you can simply clear all of this. Then you can go to the view tab and apply these settings to all folders, and we have very specific customizations here. Okay, and if you do not like the settings that you already made, simply click on reset folders, and it will reset the view for all folders. Click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. There's one more thing that I want to show you, and that is the search settings. Okay, so it says how to search. Should you be using the index, should you not be using the index, and all. So that's the case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.